Action Target here at Ready Gunner, a commercial range that uses Action Target's Smart Range Axis. The purpose of today's video is to show you what you can expect as a shooter on a range equipped with Smart Range Axis. Action Target's Smart Range Axis is a next generation range control system. It provides you with so much more capability and functionality than a simple down and back retriever. Today I'm going to show you how to use that to the fullest to enhance your indoor shooting experience. After check-in and getting comfortable in your lane, you'll be presented with a custom greeting screen. Let's start. Here you'll see the range rules that you can review. And then after we click agree, we can get right into it. We're greeted with the quick start menu, and you'll notice here things that you're probably very familiar with. The purpose of doing this Smart Range Axis interface is to make it easy and fun to use. The quick start menu gives you simple down and back with quick select distances. On the right hand side of our screen we can see the camera view of our target. This is a live feed. As you shoot, you can watch your shot group, and a really neat feature we've added is the ability to pinch and zoom. You'll also notice on the right hand side of the screen we have view shots and new album. This is also a really neat feature. The center button here will capture your groupings. Then you can click View Shots to bring up a QR code. If you scan this with your phone, this will send you a link to your screenshots that you captured during your session. We also, on this screen, on the bottom, have some lighting controls. We'll see the light icon. We can turn the light on, dim, and if we click the three dots on the side, we'll see an even greater in-depth menu. You can control the brightness, strobes that can help simulate real-world scenarios. Some flashes, and you can turn the lights off. We can also hide the camera to have a more simple display. On the bottom right-hand side, we'll see the language selection, and on the bottom left, the assistance required. If at any point you feel like you need assistance, please select that and your range operator will be notified immediately. And the blue light will illuminate the local lane to give a visual cue to the range safety officer where his attention needs to be. The Programs tab is where the Smart Range Axis system really starts to shine. On the left, we have a collection of drills categorized by the type of drill. Some of these include essential skill building, target games, and federal qualifications. In these drop-downs, you'll find a variety of scenarios from basic, intermediate, to advanced. You can start with the basic and work your way up, or head straight for the advanced course, but be warned it's challenging. And the reason it's challenging is because in each scenario description, it will change the metrics which are used to shoot, it will change the exposure times as well as the target behavior. These retrievers are capable of charging, turning, and teasing, all options to create more dynamic and engaging drills. These types of behaviors aren't available on your typical down and back retriever. Federal qualifications. These are great scenarios for law enforcement officers to come in to the local range and get additional training in. We select the drills. Based on your selection, you will be presented with a description detailing the course of fire. This includes the number of rounds to use, exposure time, and how many cycles the drill will run through. Our final tab is Timed Drills. Within the Timed Drills tab, you'll find fields such as target distance, target face, random distance, and behavior. Let's look at what those do. You can select your target distance and input in feet, yards, or meters the exact distance you'd like to go. Random distance provides a quick select function that will split your range in half. Short distance will randomly place your target at any distance between your stall and the midpoint of the range, while long distance will do the same from the midpoint to the end of the range. The target behavior determines how the retriever will interact with the shooter. Tease, spin, and random behaviors add another layer of unknowns to the shooting scenario, giving you the ability to spend less time thinking about what your target's doing and focus more on how you react to it. Target face allows you to pick front, back, or random. If you run two paper targets back to back, this creates a great opportunity to do shoot, no shoot drills. Face time is the duration of target exposure during the drill. This allows you to determine how long the target will present per cycle. Edge time is how long the target will spend in between behaviors before moving on to the next. And cycles is how many times it will repeat this process that you just programmed in. Hit start and it's ready to go. You'll have a countdown, low ready, the drill begins. Today we've shown you how to utilize Smart Range Axis. We've shown you how to be safe, how to enhance the drills that you can run, as well as make the most of your range time. If you have any questions or want to get some targets to shoot on Smart Range Axis, you can find them at shop.actiontarget.com.